Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys something, okay, about this Steam Deck, of course. As you guys know, there are 4 buttons here, okay? They're literal buttons. Like, look, they're literal buttons. I personally, I know what you're thinking. Oh, what are the points of these buttons? And it's actually a lot more convenient to press than you'd think. Sometimes, actually, it's more convenient for me to press these buttons right here instead of these buttons right here, depending on what game I'm playing and whatnot. So, I'm going to show you guys how to map the buttons. Yeah, you can map the 2, or the 4 rather, in any game. So, let's get to it. Okay, so yeah, we are going to click on the Steam button. Well, actually, I lied. We are not going to click on the Steam button. Instead, we are going to click on a game, okay? Any game we want to change the controls to, okay? And then we can either click on this control or we can click here and go to properties and all that. But we're just going to click on controls, okay? This will tell us about controls, so on and so forth, and whatnot. And this is usually what it defaults to. It things by default, okay? And in case you're wondering what these are R4, R5, L4, L5. Those are the back buttons that I mentioned to you. The top left is L4, the top right is R4, the bottom left is L5, the bottom right is R5. Now, as you can see, I actually have L4 on the bumpers. So literally, if I press any of those, it activates these. Okay, like R1 and L1, I have L4 and R4 to act as R1 and L1. Because if we look at the back of the thing, as you can see, when I place my hands, they are just so on everything except for L1 and R1. So most of the time I find it easier to press these buttons right here. That's just my own personal thing. And yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.